Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will show you how to set up the self-defense feature in Ultimate Security. Self-defense protects Ultimate Security itself from being turned off without your permission. This matters because attackers sometimes try to disable your security plugin before they attack your site. The features shown in this video require both Ultimate Security and Ultimate Security Pro to be active on your WordPress site. Let's start on the Ultimate Security dashboard. From here, we click on Settings, then go to Maintenance and Tools and select Self-Defense. This brings us to the Self-Defense page. This page protects the plugin from unauthorized deactivation or modification. The first setting is Self-Defense Protection. This setting asks for extra proof before anyone can turn off Ultimate Security. Let's turn this on. Once it's active, a message appears telling us that if we ever need to deactivate the plugin, we will need to use the emergency access path or verify our identity first. Next, we turn on File Integrity Monitoring. This setting compares your plugin files against known good versions. This helps you catch it if someone edits or replaces a plugin file without your permission. We will make a full video on File Integrity Monitoring. The third setting is Deactivation Alerts. When this is on, you get an alert anytime the plugin is deactivated. This way, you'll always know if something changes. Below this setting, there's a button called Configure Alert Settings. We'll come back to that in a moment. First, let's save our changes. Now let's click Configure Alert Settings to see how these alerts work. This takes us to the Alerts and Notifications page. We have already made a complete video on alerts and notifications. Check the description box for the video link. Let's continue with the settings now. Below that is Email Notifications. This lets you get alerts sent to your email whenever something happens. Let's scroll down to see Notification Filters. This is where you choose which types of events should trigger an alert. For now, we need to make sure that the plugin deactivation option is enabled. Now let's see Self-Defense in action. We'll go to the Plugins page. Here we can see Ultimate Security and Ultimate Security Pro listed together. Notice that Ultimate Security cannot be deactivated on its own because Ultimate Security Pro depends on it. But look at Ultimate Security Pro. Its Deactivate link now shows a warning icon and says Requires Verification. This is self-defense working. Let's click Deactivate on Ultimate Security Pro. A window pops up asking us to verify our identity before the plugin can be turned off. We type in our password and click Submit. After entering the correct password, the plugin is deactivated. This shows that even with access to the plugins page, extra verification is still needed to turn off the plugin. Since we turned on deactivation alerts earlier, let's check our email inbox. Here we can see a new email titled Security Alert Digest with one high-severity alert. Opening it, we see the details. It tells us the plugin was deactivated along with the date, time, and severity level. It also gives suggested next steps, like confirming the deactivation was authorized and reactivating the plugin right away if it was a critical security tool. And that's how self-defense works in Ultimate Security. Download Ultimate Security, link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more WordPress security videos. We will see you in the next video.